we can apply the async await syntax to our code examples with the functions that return promises. Here we can remove the then and catch blocks, keep the call to the function p, which returns this promise, and await this call, and then pass the result to a variable. Let's call it result, and then log this result. We will put this code inside the try-catch block. And in the catch block we will log the error. And in order to be able to use the await keyword, we have to be inside an async function. So let's create one. And let's name it pcontainer. And then place the try-catch block inside the pcontainer body. And finally we have to call the pcontainer function. And we can run the code and see that it works like before. Similarly to the other code example, with the chaining of fetch data and reverse data and then handle data. Let's clear this. Here, let's create a try-catch block, then call fetch data with the R argument and await this and assign the result to the data variable. So let's write const data. Then we will call the reverse data function and pass the data as the argument to it and assign the result to another variable. Let's name it reversed data. And finally we will call handle data and pass the reversed data and log the double arguments, the reversed data and a function, log the double function. And for the catch case, we will also log the error. Finally, we need to wrap this code inside an async function. Let's create one again. Let's name it program. Move the try-catch block inside the program function body. And finally, call the program function. Let's test this as well. And it is working as expected. And now we have both our examples implemented with the async await syntax.